Hello, Palsy here and facial palsy here. This week is facial palsy awareness week, and I will be posting some videos and tidbits every day. I want to reiterate that especially if you are just starting with this and you might not have found people to help you treat this and deal with, you're not alone. I hear that every day from people all over the world, not finding therapists, not finding the appropriate doctor to help you. I am starting through the years with my practice to have a roster of names of people around the country that can help you, and some abroad. But obviously this is still a very short list. Please know that treating facial palsy needs to be done by a specialist. Your typical physio, which I was before, does not have the knowledge to really work and treat you correctly when it comes to facial rehab. Most will not know the subtlety, the difference between facial muscles and musculoskeletal muscles in the rest of our body, which behave and are physiologically very different. And that means that it needs a different treatment, and a very specific treatment, and a treatment that is tailored to your needs according to your presentation when you present in front of that therapist. Also, please know that even early on, there's a lot of education that needs to happen in this process of healing and rehab. Most people are not being sent to the right person and do not get that education. Going from the health of your eye, how to support your eye, how to close your eye using taping for your face, how to improve your speech as well when you have a severe droop and you can't pronounce all those words. There's literally lots of different things that you can do at that point, and this is where a facial therapist will be able to guide you into reaching those goals. So don't forget that we are here. If you're seeing this video, you are welcome to message me. I can help people with online consultation. I have also a class for people that are just brand new and into the first 2 months of their Bell's palsy, showing a lot of techniques and stretches and educating you with a lot of what I just said in regards to eye care, mouth care, supporting your cheeks, what you should be doing and when you should be doing it. And I encourage you to check it out. The link is in the bio. So anyway, happy facial palsy awareness week. And like I said, I will continue this whole week with different posts. Take care.